All right, you guys ready for today? There's gonna be a lot of car stuff going on. We're gonna drive out to Mexico. It's like a 2-hour drive. Of course, my compressors have to turn on right now. But yeah, we have a long drive. Jose is coming with me. It's gonna be fun, so stay tuned. And it should be some really good content for you guys to watch. Finally made it to the location.
After how many times did we get lost?
Oh my gosh, I feel so bad because there's like 5 guys following us, but there's a lot of cars and they all look pretty fast. A lot of them on tire. What's up, man? I'm David, by the way.
David? Milton, nice to meet you, boss.
Nice
hey,
to
what's
meet
the
you.
setup on the car?
Just single turbo on E85.
Single turbo?
Yeah, stock block still. Dude, a bunch of
something within our platform.
A bunch of sick cars here.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, this is our racehorse.
So who's the fastest guy here?
Right here.
Which one?
Right here.
Oh, are you?
No.
Right here.
Everyone looks like they're on tire too. Oh, that thing's sick, dude. That tire in the back?
Yeah, skinny's up
So
there.
nice.
Ask him about it. Say, what skinny setup?
That looks nice.
He had the he had the 2 spares.
Well, he's got skinnies in the front?
No, he had 2 spares up front.
Oh.
He was using it as skinny for a while.
So sketchy.
I go up again to shed.
Oh shit, that GTR was coming on. So clean. That's who I'm gonna run first.
No. No.
Oh, he's just gonna pull off on the side and chill there. Since he hasn't caught anyone do anything.
Catch you for too long.
Ah, that sucks. It was a bust. We got a cop over there. Literally just pulled up. And now he's just chilling there. Damn it.
Smoke them.
Yeah, I'm always on full boost. That was scary though, dude. That fucking crack. Oh my god.
The gap cam.
like slow it down? Oh my god. So crazy.
That was probably the best one we ever had.
Damn.
Babe.
Oh, the fluent pass?
No, it's a cloud.
The other place where my mom's supposed to go there.
Pavement and everything.
It's like brand new. This one.
See which other car we're gonna run.
You got that one, huh?
Dude, he showed me on his cell phone and we're like this.
Yeah. You did get him by like a tiny bit.
It seemed like it. I have to see on the footage. That was a good ass run.
That was.
That was the best run I've had so far. I'm gonna race that 335i. Bigger turbos. Probably pure turbos, right? That's what all BMWs run. I don't know about BMWs.
I don't know.
I just hear pure turbos and I'm like, damn, that's just fast. Well, can you hit record on the GoPro on the side of the car?
You want me to click it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Such a long drive. That was 2 hours there. We hit so much traffic, so it was like 2.5 hours. Caught a few runs, drove the Z 2 hours back home. I still don't know how this thing has been so reliable to me. I honestly don't get it. Like, I thought I was gonna go there and probably blow this thing up, but for some reason this thing is just has been so good to me. I love it. Those were some good runs. The 370Z, I thought it was a single turbo, but it's actually twin turbo automatic with VR trans. The 335i was bolt-ons, probably I think on E85 pure turbos, and the ProCharge Vet, that thing was fast. As soon as he got in front of me, I saw him pulling a little bit more, and I heard a bunch of rock chips, so I stopped because I just put my brand new headlights on 2 days ago, and I still have to. I'm gonna take them off tonight. That way I can go take them to get painted black inside and get them PPF. So I was like, hopefully there's no like rocks flinging at my brand new headlights right now before I get them PPF. And then I get back in my Z when I'm leaving, and I noticed that one of the rocks from him cracked my windshield. So he's already in front of me by like a car and a half, or probably more. I didn't want to risk my headlights. Oh man, I'm exhausted. Yeah, it's dark in here. Ooh, See how good those lights are? It's crazy. Oh man, I'm scared to look at my headlights right now. I haven't looked at them yet. All right, let's take a look. Oh, damn it. I got a rock chip right there. Yeah, I got a few little rock chips. Oh, that bums me out. Oh, especially that one, I can see it. The crack on my window. You guys can see it right there. I heard it too. Like I heard a bunch of rocks and I heard one that was kind of loud, but I didn't really pay attention to it because, I mean, we were going pretty fast. Not really, but you know, there's a lot going on. So I didn't pay attention to it. And then I got in the car when I was leaving. I was like, oh, I knew it. It's a small little crack. But it like went kind of deep, honestly. Yeah, we made it home. That's all that matters. Z's good, didn't blow up on me. All we came home with is with a little battle scar there on the headlight. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys aren't already. If you guys want to see more content with the Z or with the S2000. The S2000, I have a lot of plans for it, so we are gonna do a couple things with that car pretty soon. I've just been kind of planning out what I'm gonna do with it, and I've had money for it, but I just don't know what to spend it on. But then now I figured out what I want to start with. So I'll update you guys more on that car. And yeah, shout out to everyone that came out. The dude with the 370Z that I raced, him and I kind of set up that whole thing together to get a bunch of guys down there. So I appreciate whoever went. A bunch of other sick ass cars there. Everyone was super cool. Shout out to the homie. I hope I say his name right, Lionel with the 370Z. Super cool guy. That's the first boosted 370Z I've ran, so it's pretty cool. You know, there's no drama. It's just fun runs and that's it. Because with the Z community, it's like everyone's really competitive. So it's cool to just be able to catch runs and be chill with everyone right after. Damn, look how sticky they look. Because this one, this is the one that rubs the most. Not too bad. Just a little bit. All the rubber stuck there, but this stuff is so sticky. It's like you touch it and you get like rubber stuck on your finger. You can see how sticky it is. It's all glossy. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.